Hello Mersey Beat lovers, it's time for another vlog. Right, I'm going to plant out my second, put out my second polytunnel today. I'm going to put cold rabbi under it along this line here. So, I've never used this polytunnel, this is a brand new one, so I'll be putting this in today. I'll just place it at the end here, just ready. It's a bit windy to be putting it out, but it needs must, and we've got to get our winter crops in, so I'll get a coal rabbi in here and then we'll have two polytunnels, just enough distance to walk between the two, so I'll leave a gap so they're not edging up to one another close, so we can get through and weed and do everything else we need to do. Right, I've planted some coal rabbi in along this row, and I'm going to put a polytunnel over it to overwinter. Nice crop to overwinter, coal rabbi. It's like a brassica, but it has a nice nice ball shape at the end. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful vegetable. I've got a few plants left over just in case some of these fail. I'll put them in about 6 inches apart. One important tip that I picked up some time ago was to always plant your rows north to south. So the south is down there and north is up here. So in that way your plant will never be in shade. If you do the rows the other way, then the row in front will often cast shade on the row behind, so the crops aren't as prolific. So that's our coal rabbi in. I'll cover that now because I don't think I'll get another crop in. I'll do the same that I did with the other polytunnel, which is do 3 rows. So I'll put another crop on this side, on there, and another crop here. Possibly cut and come again crops, overwintering lettuce and stuff like that. Yeah, so 12th of October, and we're still planting up crops.